बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। न्यू ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश बुक 4 यूनिट नंबर 7 द एम्बेसडर्स डिस्गाइज की आज हम एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। कम्प्रीहेंशन एक्सरसाइज ए में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट वर द रशियन नॉवेल्स बोस्टिंग अबाउट। रूसी उमरा किस चीज़ के बारे में बढ़ चढ़कर बात कर रहे थे। रशियन नॉवेल्स were boasting about their possessions and quality. Question number 2 is why was the prince angry with Stavr? The answer is Stavr had said that even the prince was no match for his wife. This made the prince angry. Who did Katharina take with her Kiev? Katharina took 30 archers, 30 chess masters and 30 musicians to Kiev with her. Next question is what did the Greek ambassador want from the prince? The Greek ambassador wanted to collect tribute from the prince. Why did the prince think that Katharina was a man? Answer is Katharina defeated him in all matters. Prince thought that no woman can do these things. Who was Zabawa? Why did she refuse to marry the Greek ambassadors? Zabawa was Prince's niece. She refused to marry the Greek ambassador because she knew that ambassador was a woman. How did Katharina get Stavr out of the dungeon? She won all the challenges and with her wisdom led the Stavr to freedom. This question is more difficult. Discuss it first. How do you think each of the following characters feel at the end of the story? Give reasons for your answers. First, Katharina and Stavr Godnoch. They feel proud because Katharina had proved her talents and Stavr was finally free. Zabawa was happy because she was proven correct. ज़िबावा खुश थी क्योंकि उसने ये साबित कर दिया था कि वो बिल्कुल ठीक है। प्रिंस फेल्ट एम्बेरस्ड बिकॉज ही वॉज फूल्ड बाय कैथरीना। शहजादे ने शर्मिंदगी महसूस की क्योंकि कैथरीना ने उसे बेवकूफ़ बनाया।